Hey, this is Lorena, and I wanted to do a video for you on a local quilt show that I went to probably like a couple weeks ago, maybe a month ago. I filmed these beautiful community quilters that are local to my area. They're not in San Antonio. I think they're in Kerrville, close by Bernie, but I thought it would be nice for me to share like these beautiful quilts that these beautiful makers showcased at that show. I'm not going to be really talking in this video because I just want to showcase these beautiful quilts. I tried to film as many of the quilts as I could, and I just kind of wanted to share some of the most beautiful quilts that I've seen out there. But I hope you like this eye candy. It's delicious. It's beautiful. I loved it. It was so much fun. I went with two of my friends, and it was just such a neat blessing that they allowed me to film there, and I'm so thankful for them to allow me to film there. And the people that were running the show were wonderful, and some of the quilters that I got to meet were wonderful. I think I want to be part of that quilt guild. I just need to see if I could make a commitment to go over there at least once a month. It is probably like an hour and a half away from me, but it was a great time with me and my friends, and it was just also a great fellowship. So let's get watching.
Welcome, I'm Michelle and this is Paula, and this is the Hill Country Quilt Guild show, and it is 2025 amazing. We started 2 years ago planning this show, and it is now coming to fruition. We have over 200
we have over 200 quilts in the show. We have a beautiful raffle quilt. We have
Viewer's Choice.
This one was Viewer's Choice from 2023.
That's beautiful.
Yes.
We also have mini quilts that we're having silent auction for them.
Okay.
We have about 30 vendors here. We're also having an educational room where they're having demonstrations of how to do things.
And that is the first year that this has been done in any of these areas around here, is to have an educational room. We are bringing Houston to Kerrville.
The show is every 2 years.
Okay.
So the next one will be in 2027. It took us about 5 days to get completely set up and get the show going.
And we had our awards ceremony yesterday, so it was all set up yesterday, and all of the best in show were all decided yesterday by the judges. The judges judge all day Wednesday and early morning Thursday.
Now, is it really hard to bring a quilt to the show? Like, is it online if I want to put a quilt in here?
Put it online. Yeah. I can put a quilt in, and I don't match points.
Yeah. You are a member of the Hill Country Quilt. You have to be a member of the Hill Country Quilt Guild. The membership is $25.
Okay.
We meet the third Monday of every month at Zion Lutheran Church here in Kerrville on Sidney Baker from 9 to 12. It's $25. And then in February, we start taking online admissions for the quilt. And it costs $5 to put the quilt into the show.
Okay.
Then you are a member, now you can do a workshop.
And then all these quilts are based from the members.
Correct.
There's no outsiders. You have to be a member of this guild.
You have to be a member of the
That's
guild.
how talented these ladies are.
Yeah.
Okay, that is a blessing.
Yes.
Okay, thank you for your time.
Thank you very much.
Appreciate
Thank you for letting me do this too.
Okay, no problem. Thank you.
I'm Deb Lockwood, and this is my quilt. I got first place in the large applique. All the pieces are cut with the rotary cutter. with specialty rulers. I took an online Zoom class so I could learn how to use the rulers, some of which I already had and just had been sitting there. And so every month we did a new block, and then the borders at the end. So it took me a year to do the whole top. And then I had a quilter, a long armor, Serena Manning, do the beautiful quilting job. I purchased the rulers some time ago
Okay.
and used them once, and then they'd just been sitting there, and I wanted to learn how to use them, and I saw where she was offering the online class, so I thought, okay, I can finally use these things. I picked out the colors just because I love them.
You did a beautiful job.
Thank you.
Every single circle has a different design in it. Oh, wait here. I really do hope you like all these beautiful eye candy quilts, and I'll catch you on the next one. All right, have a wonderful day. Bye. Bye.